This sound is ah, ah, ah. Now, we don't want to say O, even though the name of it is O, but we sound it out ah, like octopus, ostrich, olive, otter, octagon. It's ah, like ox. And what I tell my students, the way to remember it, is like when somebody's getting in trouble and you go like this, ah, I'm telling, ah, I'm gonna tell my mom, ah. So that's why I do this. So what sound? Ah.